Well, as far as Mbalula's comments are concerned, one can only quickly make one request to him. He must stop with immediate effect the flagrant incursions he is making to the politics of the Kingdom of Eswatini. And his entry point is very offensive to Emaswati because he seems to be very much determined to attack the monarchy in this country, the monarchy for which, to us as a nation, is a vital national interest. And when you attack the king, you attack the institution of the monarch, you are attacking the nation of Emaswati itself. Then if you do so without any constraint or restraint on your part, then you must expect a response and a fight, and a big one for that matter. Because we are an independent and a sovereign country. We should be allowed the leverage to make self-determination in terms of our political future. We are not expecting any country, either in SADC or anywhere else, to play a big brother politics against and for us. So it's a humble and a simple request, let him desist from this tendency. It is not promoting the principles of good neighborliness. Thank you very much.